Hello and welcome everybody to the Skill Bharat Samman podcast. Today we have a very special guest. Miss, if you could please tell the audience a short introduction about you and your school, it would be very great.
Yes, I'm again. I'm Simran Kaur, working in Podar International School, Chakan, Pune, as a principal. And this is the organization which was started in the year 1927. So the very old organization. At the same time, I am into education field since now. I have completed more than 35 years as a leader, and further probably 4 or more years as a teacher. My journey in education field is very long, probably double than your age, and it is a wonderful way to interact with the common people and give my services to the organization and towards the society. It's a beautiful presentation when we talk to our children that education is nothing but interaction with the coming generation. For the coming generations, which they are going to come and they are going to just take care of the responsibilities. So it's all about education, me and my organization. My The entire time I spent it in the school, and further wherever I get chance, I just interact with the children. That's my pleasure. Thank you.
Wow, Miss, that's a really great saying that education is not just us teaching, it's about handing it over and interacting with the new generation. So definitely, also I would love if every teacher out here and a vice principal can introduce themselves. That would also be great. One by one, if you
Yes,
introduce yourselves.
yes, it would be great.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Mrs. Kaushik. I am the Vice Principal at Podar International School, Chakan. And for the record, we've all been blessed that we've been working with ma'am for close to a decade now, because the way ma'am looks at education is very different from others. She actually focuses a lot on character building rather than rote learning, because that is what is going to take the children ahead as they sail through their life. So there are lots of learnings, lots of takeaways, and we feel blessed for having her and this institution in our lives.
Absolutely, ma'am. Really great to have you on the podcast as well.
Please. Good good morning, sir. Morning. Oh, myself, Nam Manjari. I'm working over here since 10 years. We are very happy to work under mom's guidance. I'm a IE coordinator over here. Whosoever I am over here, just because of mom only. We have learned, as a teacher, we have learned so many things from the mom. We are like listener kids only. As a mom is very careful about her students, the same way she is very careful about her team.
Wow, Miss, all I'm hearing is so much good stuff about you, which is really good. Uh, that's a very great. Like, when your team tells something good about you, is it really shows how well we're doing. And definitely, Miss, 10 years is a very long time you've been working, which is a really good thing. Yeah, Miss Vaishali, Miss, if you all could.
Good morning, sir. Yeah. I'm the senior school coordinator over here. As Bodhiti ma'am said, and we are really blessed that we have a ma'am. Yes. And today also we are learning so much with this interview also. We are learning working from 8 to 9 years. And we just learned so many things, and we are getting so many opportunities under the ma'am's guidance. She just, you can say, nurturing us. Stay down, ma'am. Yes, so thank you, sir, for giving us an opportunity to, and we are working as the ma'am said that since 10 years we are here under ma'am's guidance, and we are very much fortunate and blessed to work with her, and we are on daily basis we come to know different how to handle these situations and all. So our leadership skills we are taking more and more skills. I'm Vineeta Singh, and I am a middle school coordinator. So thank you very much for giving us an opportunity, and it is our principal ma'am. Thank you.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much, everybody. Uh, Miss, I think the first skill that we already learned from you is leadership. I think that is the biggest and most important skill that every child should learn. And you being an example for that, which is I'm really grateful to meet you on this on this podcast. My first question to you is, you are in you and your school is not only an example in your area but also an example nationwide today, because you guys are delivering the skills that everybody is talking about. You are doing it on ground. You are teaching kids. So uh, we would all like to know is that what are the skills that you deliver in your school and how do you teach it to the kids so that other schools can learn from you.
Yeah, Shreyaan, thank you very much. It's a wonderful question, and it's a part of our daily routine. Teaching the skill is I would say that's an ongoing process. Regularly, whatever happens right from the beginning, we begin with the prayer, the assembly. Since then till the end of the day, wherever we go, whichever go or we meet the children, we then and there only we just give them that this what way they should behave with the other person. There has to be integrity in their life. They should be honest in their life, truthfulness, and beside that they should care for others, compassion, care, taking care of others, and experiential learning, how they should experience whatever they are learning. And above that we are teaching them lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is learning which is not a formal learning, which is informal. It is as you are already an entrepreneur, and we are also guiding our children that they can also become independent right from the childhood itself. They should have their aim in their life, and they should grow as per their passion. There has to be session so much the learning to 1 billion people you want to cover. That is a wonderful thing. Even I'm going to talk to the children when getting a chance to show up, uh, really, inculcate in their lives wherever we are.
Absolutely. Really, really amazing, ma'am, to see that, it's not just about marks and it's not just about the exams, it's more about the life skills, the characters that you are building in your school that really matters. And,
Very
one question from me to you is that, as you spoke about entrepreneurship, like, what are your thoughts on student entrepreneurship? How should we get kids to become entrepreneurs? How is it possible that every child can become a job creator?
Yeah. That's again the present situation after COVID. During COVID itself, we saw many children. They were they learned to be part of the e-learning. E-learning is one of the fastest way that we can, they can learn many things from the real life examples are there. And beside that, you know, their own heroes, their own idols. Like you are an idol for many children, that when they will see, they will understand that at the age of 8 you started your journey as an entrepreneur. And after that, you know, you have education is just formal education. It's required that to opt the social skills. But beside that, if I see, the if you have to learn from your own examples. And if I see our children, they are also, they can be they can learn so much from you. So we can create an entrepreneurship opportunities by setting goals, by creating an atmosphere. So in our school also, we have system, we have our theme based learning, where we just young entrepreneurs, we have our system in our school, and we give them guidance. We have a set format for that. They're young entrepreneurs, they right from grade 1 onwards, theme based learning they start, how they should buying, selling, those right, we start from grade 1 itself. So that is
Wow.
one of the platforms school is giving.
Amazing, amazing, ma'am. Grade one is a really good, like, they'll be younger entrepreneurs than me as well. So,
Yeah.
definitely the right age to start. And really happy that you're introducing skills like this in your school so that kids can take full advantage of it. My next question to you is, Miss, like, what are your thoughts on AI? And today everybody's talking about artificial intelligence, robotics. So, what are your thoughts on that? How can we prepare our kids for the future?
See, I understand by this AI and this young entrepreneurship, or creating a situation, because the life is not possible. Our life is not possible without AI, because artificial, tomorrow the world is going to be part this AI. AI world is going to be very significant. We will be seeing AI everywhere. So understanding AI, that we how we can create this, we have already started in our school. The teaching methodology, teaching learning pattern in our school is based on AI. Our teachers are preparing their lessons based on AI only. Teachers create a situation, like social science teachers, they prepare themselves, and they bring that AI situation in the classroom situation. During the COVID, our teachers were trained in such a way. We teachers were trained through Centa. You must be knowing the Centa is one of the platform from where the teachers are getting their skills enhanced. And now my most of the teachers are AI learners also, and they simultaneously whatever they learn, they put it before the class. And this
Wow.
is how we record our sessions. And in case it is required, we just send it to the children. They can just again they see and they learn from those lessons once again.
Amazing, amazing. So now we'll go on to the rapid fire questions round. So in this, what will happen is I'll give two options. Everybody can participate. Basically, you have to answer one if you select option one, and two if you select option two. Okay. You can just raise your hand and do the answer. Okay. So let's start. My first question is that would you want your students to be job creators or job seekers?
Creators. Creators.
Okay, done. My next question is the degree important or the learning outcome?
Learning outcome.
Awesome. My next question is, should the kid focus on their passion or the work career, which, the parents are,
Combination of both. For me, it's combination of both.
wow,
It should be. It has to be part of career with passionate way of learning.
correct, correct. Now this you all can answer in one word each. So if you could go back to school today, what would you learn?
Happiness.
Happiness.
We would probably learn more technology, sir.
Okay. Uh, all the other teachers, what would you learn if you could go back to school? Pune Miss, Vaishali Miss, Indratta Miss.
Action has now pushing I, because we had no opportunities before. So I would like to grab that opportunity again, all those opportunity which is being given.
Wow. Yes.
I would learn to give more dedication, sir, because I thought that that time maybe our lack of dedication was there
Okay.
towards the studies.
Okay. Pune Miss. Chocolate.
But I would like to enjoy my childhood during my school because during that time I had focus on my studies. So skill. Now then I'll go back, dance, say art, drama, this I like to learn.
Wow. Amazing.
Amazing.
So definitely, your teacher is saying I would wish to go back to have fun. So this is something you should definitely show your kids. And Miss, last question for you is if you could, introduce anything in your school, you had all the money, all the infrastructure, what would you introduce for your students? Miss, you're muted. You are muted, Miss. Huh.
This is for me. This question is for me.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
If I have to introduce my in my school, I have to introduce a system where every child is equally getting chance to be a very good learner. Then to be a rote learner, they are learning from real life situations. They are becoming the best citizen of the country. They are best human beings so that this world can be a beautiful place where we all can live in. Instead of giving them only learning, go become engineer or doctor or one profession, they are supposed to learn the lifelong lessons, whatever they enjoy, whatever they have that passion, they should go with that and they should live their life the fullest.
Wow, wow. Absolutely. Thank you so much, everybody, for your
Thank you
time
so
on a
much.
working day in school hours, which you have given out for this. Really, really grateful for that. And I'm very, very excited to meet you in the Skill Bharat Samman event. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you so much, Shreyaan, that you have given me an opportunity. And it is a great platform. A young boy, I can see many of our children are, of your age, and many are passed out. So when I see you, the day I saw, it's wonderful feeling to see children growing the way you have grown. I saw your mother's message also, proud mother. That is also it's Vitushi Daga, your mother. I just congratulate her. I just give her all my blessings to you and just congratulate her that she's having such a beautiful and wonderful boy who is creating a history in India.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much for everything you have given.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shreya.
Bye.
God bless you.
You. God. Thank you.